Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can get a personal loan on Wells Fargo. So let's jump right in. Now, quick heads up. We'll be using the official Wells Fargo website, not the mobile app. That's right, the best way to apply for a loan is through wellsfargo.com, so grab your phone, tablet, or computer and open your browser. Once you're on the site, go ahead and sign in to your Wells Fargo account. If you're not a customer yet, don't worry, you'll still be able to explore loan options or find a local branch to help you out. On the homepage, hover over the Personal Loans or Home Loans tab, whichever suits your needs best. Click on the one that fits your situation, and you'll be redirected to a page with questions and prompts that guide you through the loan process. You'll be asked to provide details like the reason for your loan, your personal info, and possibly even your credit history. Just fill out the required fields, and if everything checks out, meaning your credit score and details qualify, you'll be on your way to securing your loan.